In today's video, I'm going to teach you check Nintendo eShop gift card balance. By the end, you'll know exactly how to confirm whether a Nintendo eShop gift card still has money on it using your Nintendo Switch and how to avoid accidentally redeeming it if you're just checking. First, open the Nintendo eShop on your Switch from the home screen. Make sure you're connected to the internet so the store can load properly. When the eShop launches, you'll be asked to choose which user to proceed with. Select the Nintendo account you actually use for purchases on this system. Your eShop funds are tied to this account, so picking the right one helps you get an accurate result. Once you're inside the eShop, look for the redeem code option. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find it on the left side of the screen. This is the place where you can enter prepaid codes, including gift cards. Selecting redeem code won't immediately add funds. It simply opens the input screen so you can check the card. Now enter the gift card code exactly as it appears on the card. Take your time here. These codes are typically a series of letters and numbers. Watch out for common mix-ups like O versus 0 or I versus 1. Don't include spaces or dashes, and if the code was covered by a scratch-off panel, make sure it's fully revealed and readable. After you enter the code, look closely at the on-screen message. If you see a message saying funds will be added, or you see an amount displayed with an option to confirm, that means the card still has balance available. If that's all you needed to know, don't press the final confirm or add button. Simply back out or cancel to avoid applying the funds right now. If the screen says code already used, that indicates the card has no balance left and was already redeemed on an account previously. In some cases, you might see a different message, like an invalid or unsupported code. That can happen if there's a typo or if the card's region doesn't match your account region. Double check the characters and try again. If it still doesn't work, it may be a region issue or a problem with the card itself. That's all there is to it. Open the eShop, choose your account, select redeem code, enter the code carefully, and read the message to confirm the card's status. If you run into persistent errors, reach out to your retailer or Nintendo support for help. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.